the lowest deck all the way in the front of the boat. The life vest is placed under your seat. Please follow the instructions. Put on the life vest as you put on a jacket. Close it in the front. Black belt connected to the other black belt and tighten it. Pull down the back piece of the vest and place it between your legs. Yellow belt connected to the other yellow belt and tighten it. The hood will keep your head warm in cold water. A lamp lights up in contact with water and use the fluid to draw attention to yourself. Emergency exit is straight out to the side. Thank you, Kai and Gabriela. Thank you for attention and have a nice trip.